Now, natural gas supplier in Mumbai, that's Mahanagar Gas, is planning to enter the market with an initial public offer. In an otherwise tepid IPO market, let's get in Nisha Poddar, who joins in with all the exclusive details. Nisha, how big could the IPO be and what exactly are the plans for the company?
Hi, Avan. Sources do share with me that 1,000 crore rupees is at least what the IPO will be worth, and look at the kind of valuations that Mahanagar Gas is trying to command, and at least the expectation by the shareholders is that it will command a valuation of over 6,000 crore rupees and 1,000 crore rupees at least worth of IPO. Now the plan is in place and the process has already started. In fact, Mahanagar Gas is in talks with various banks and is going to call for a pitch and is going to give a mandate very soon. And by the end of this particular calendar year, they are looking at mandating the banks, then going ahead with the documentation. So early next financial year is when the IPO could be ready to be launched, is what the plan at the moment is. Now the main premise on which this IPO is based is the shareholders who want to offload their stake and also monetize their investments. Now remember, GAIL as well as British Gas, these are the two big shareholders, 49.75% each in the company, and the rest of the remaining small percentage is with the Maharashtra government. And remember, British Gas, as a part of its global strategy, has been trying to exit its positions and holdings in India. They did sell their stake in Gujarat Gas, and Mahanagar Gas is in line with that particular strategy, and therefore this IPO has been planned.